to get my social media done. I'm now able to get some sleep at night. Hey there, coming to you from Land O'Lakes, Florida. Just wanted to share a win with my VA through Sphere Rocket. Yes, I was a little concerned getting started because it sounded too good to be true, but I'm now able to get some sleep at night. Just finished up my second week with a VA for social media and marketing, and she is doing an absolutely fantastic job, more than I had hoped or expected. And even only being 2 weeks in, she is taking on more than my goals at this point were. And she's taking the initiative on things on her own to tell me about things. So it's a huge win for both of us. Instead of me having to work between midnight and 6 to get my social media done, I'm now able to get some sleep at night. So if you're on the fence about whether to do one or not, do a VA, Fear Rocket's the way to go.